Welcome back to Schoolhouse 7. This is Creativity Week. Welcome to Creativity Day 2. Let's get started by reviewing the 4 creative thinking skills we introduced yesterday. They were fluency, flexibility, originality, and elaboration. But today we'll focus solely on fluency, or the ability to generate quantities of ideas. And there's no better way to do that than to brainstorm. And today, on Schoolhouse 7, we are going to show you a world-renowned tool for brainstorming known as Scamper, which stands for substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another use, eliminate, or reverse. You could take any object in the world and you could brainstorm different ideas to make it better or improve upon it. Let's use the lunchbox example. First of all, we would take a normal lunchbox and say, what can we replace, change? Are there other parts and materials? How about a glass lunchbox? That would be really cool. Let's go up to combine. What parts can we combine? What about an iLunchbox that combines an iPad with the lunchbox? So we have an iLunchbox. Then adapt. What else can we do? Can we borrow? Can we change it at all? How about a lunch basketball? Make a basketball lunchbox. Cool. Then let's go to modify. Can we change the shape, minify, make it bigger, smaller? How about a set of small, medium, and large lunchboxes? Then put to another use. How about lunchbox cookware? That would be awesome. And then eliminate. We took the handle off here. It's handleless and ergonomic for people who just don't want to grab a handle. And lastly, reverse. How can we do the opposite? What about a hot box lunchbox? That would be awesome. Okay, you might be saying, Mr. Hall and Jay, I know lunchboxes and things. What does this do for the world? Brainstorming ideas for a lunchbox. Well, let me show you. This is exactly what the cell phone used to look like until brainstorming. Now we're on iPhone 11s. This is what people used to carry their stuff in on trips as their luggage. Now we have luggage sets. This is what I used to watch TV on, a big box of wood. Now kids are watching TV on the back of their parents' car seats. And lastly, I had a plain old skateboard. You guys out there have hoverboards. So there you go. That's the power of Scamper. Become an awesome inventor this summer. Keep reading, keep writing, use Scamper, but most importantly, be safe.